Hi, in this video, I'm going to tell you what your blog post must have. Like, if you're writing blogs, then what you should include in your blogs so that your blog will be very different from others' blog, and it will be very good at SEO, and it should be very uh, different from others blog post. So for that, what you can do is, like, you can add uh, like, first, what you do in a blog post is that you write what you have understood about the topic. So first you will write the whole content. So, like, how to structure that whole content, that I will tell you in this video. So for that, you can write magnetic headlines, which should be, the headline should be catchy. So this is the first thing can do. Second, you can use the colored text in between, so that your blog will look much better. Third, you can use images in your blog so that people can relate it. Fourth, you can use news article link so that people can verify your information. Fifth, you can add is short video clips that you can create of yourself explaining about the topic if you are not comfortable in writing. Sixth, you can do is you can mention your blog in bullet points so that people would like your blog post. Seventh is you can share your social media handles so that people can connect with you on different social media handles. You can share social media handles as well, or you can share the social media handles uh, for this particular uh, next blog post that you want that user should read to know more about your blog post. So you can mention their blog post link, or any social media handle of their site. You can mention there. Others you can do is you can add categories, so that it will categories and tags to your blog so that your blog will rank much better in SEO. Like, ninth, you can give comparison also. If you're comparing, if you're giving a review of one product, so you can add comparison as well so that people can compare if they are purchasing the right product or not. And next, you can show benefits of also about the product. If you want, uh, if you're writing a blog post on best mobile smartphone to buy, so you can show the benefits of that smartphone. And next, you can do is, like, if you're writing a blog post, you can do keyword research. This is a term, like, for bloggers, so bloggers can relate it much better. So you can do this as well. Next, you can do is, you can search for affiliate materials, which you can add in your like which you can add in your blog post, so that people, if people can purchase will from your link, then you can get commission as well. You can add an affiliate link of the products you are reviewing. So this you can do. So if you should keep in mind all these points. Next, you can do is you can write quotes as well in between, so that like this will your blog post will look much better. Next, which is trending nowadays, you can add memes to your blog post. So if like if you add all these points to your blog post, like all the content of all these like all these things, then your blog post will be very different from others blog post, and people will like to read your blog post a lot. And you can get a good freelance work as well. So that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. I will add all these points in my video as well. In the description of this video, you can check it from there as well. So if you are looking to write a good blog post, you can consider checking these points as well. So I have curated this points by going through different websites. So you can just check this out, and like you can also add something if you feel that it is also very important in the blog post. See, content is very important, but what others is other things are important that you can mention in the description if you feel like it is missing here, so that our blog post will look much better from others. So that is it for this video. Share with your friends who are in freelancing or want to write a good blog post for any of their domain like tech or whatever they like to write in, or if they are doing freelancing work also, it will benefit them a lot. So thank you.